Hey gang, and welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Restoration. For the May DIBS build, it's take any Hot Wheels and paint it up, do it up how you want. So we're going to take this 75 Corvette and we're going to paint it a totally different color. You can see now, let's move this in. It says Moran's Surf Shop Express on it. You know, it's real worn out. And I'm never a big fan of white anyway, so we're going to go ahead and paint that a totally different color. So let's go ahead and get started, and we'll put it in the stripper, get it apart. And there we have it, a real good, solid Hawaiian blue color for a really solid, good looking car. You know, personally, I never thought Corvettes looked good in white, and I like this color a lot better. So there we have it, gang. Till next time, this is Son of Opa saying goodbye.